Do we need full screen? We have full. Is there a fuller screen than this? No. That was full screen. Okay, so here's number 8. And it says, can you guys see that? It says log base 3 of x plus 2. You probably had these little formulas in Algebra 2. Log base 3, but you might not remember. X minus 1 log base 3. I know we did it in our Algebra 2 class. So there's a little formula that says, or it's a little, I call them the log laws. There's 3 log laws. One of them is, if you have log base b of, I don't know, I'll call it m, minus log, I always use different letters of the alphabet, base b of n, that's going to be equal to log base b of m over n. Okay, so basically if you have 2 logarithms and they have the same base and there's a subtraction happening, you can grab the argument or the antilogarithm of the first one and stick it on the top of the fraction and take the second one and stick it on the bottom. That's one of the log laws. There's another one that says log base b of m plus log base b of n is equal to log base b of m times n. That's another log law. Did you guys ever see those from last year or whatever?
Yeah.
Okay, and then the third one, there's the exponential one. You don't need it for this problem, but there's another one. So let's just use the first log law. Well, I don't know if it's the first one, but let's use this one that has the division. So if this is m and this is n, then I can go. So you guys got this far, or was it just you didn't remember?
I just never knew these.
She's like, well, I didn't have a problem with it. Yeah, because I didn't explain it on Tuesday because we ran out of time. So now I have the log base 3 of this, I'm going to put it in parentheses, of this whole chunk equals log base 3 of 4. Hey, isn't that one of those things where I can just set, since the logs are the same, I can set the arguments equal to each other? I think I can. Is that what you did, Sarah?
Yeah.
Yeah. Because if it's log base 3 of something and it's equal with log base 3 of something else, the somethings have to be the same or else there wouldn't be an equal sign there. They wouldn't be equal. So, and then I would use cross products on this thing. I would just go, because that's the I don't know, it seemed easiest to me to just solve it by putting a 1 underneath my 4 and then just use cross products on it so I don't have to deal with that denominator. So now I got 4 times x minus 1 equal to 1 times x plus 2, and that gives me 4x minus 4 is equal to x plus 2, and that says 3x. I subtracted x on both sides, and then I'll add 4 on both sides. 3x equals 6, so x equals 2. Did you get x equals 2?
Yeah.
Okay, good. You can't see it because it moved.
I just remembered.
You remember those? So that's not your fault that I didn't get to that. So I'm going to stop this one.